So let us see the next question in exercise 9.3, eighth question of grade 9 circles. So what does the statement says? If the non-parallel sides of trapezium are equal, if the non-parallel sides of the trapezium are equal. See, if you draw any trapezium, so generally we draw like this, right? So these two sides are parallel. So let us say this is A, B and C and D. So what are the non-parallel sides? These two are the non-parallel sides, AD and PC. So AD and BC are non-parallel sides, right? So if the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, so that means these two are parallel. What is given? Let us try to write what is given. AB is parallel to CD. This already we know. And if the non-parallel sides of a parallelogram are equal, that means AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. It is given. Okay, generally in trapezium they are not equal. They can be equal or they may not be equal. But generally we draw them as non-equal sides. Okay, but here he has given that these two are equal. So that is what I have written, AD is equal to BC or CB. So then we have to prove that ABCD is cyclic. What we are supposed to prove? We have to prove that ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is cyclic. So what do we know about cyclic? Cyclic, what do we know about cyclic? So the cyclic means, what is the property of cyclic quadrilateral? The sum of opposite angles is equal to how much? 180 degrees. So either we have to prove that angle A plus angle C is equal to 180, or we have to prove that angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. Is it right? Either we have to prove this or we have to draw a circle. Understood or not? So we cannot draw a circle. So let us prove this. Now what can be done? Here we have to prove. So let us draw altitudes of this trapezium. Altitudes will always be 90 degrees. Understood? From A and also from B. Let us draw two altitudes. Understood or not? So proof. How we are going to start? Proof. So what is our proof? Draw an altitude from A to DC. Okay. Draw AP perpendicular to DC and also draw BQ perpendicular to DC. Okay. So what are these two formed? What are these two? Are these two triangles? So if I prove congruency, can I prove that angle D is equal to angle C? Okay, let us try. So in triangle APD, so in triangle APD and triangle BCQ, no, don't take it, because APD, so BQC. Whenever you are supposed to prove congruency, you have to name the triangles in an order, in the same order. So let us see what are the parts which are equal in triangle APD and BQC. So this is 90 degrees and this is also 90 degrees. So angle APD is equal to angle BQC. It is equal to 90 degrees. That we have drawn, constructed. Then what is equal? Here is AD equal to BC. So let me write AD equals BC. What is the reason? It is given. After that, what are equal? We don't know about DP and CQ. So what is the next side left out? AP. AP and BQ, are they equal? Yes, they are equal. Why? Because they are altitudes. Altitudes, that means the distance between two parallel sides are same. So therefore AP is equal to BQ because altitudes are same. Altitudes, they are same. Now, since we have equated three parts, try to find out the congruency by taking parts of one triangle. Okay, so APD is this one, this is 90 degrees, and AD is this side, and AP. What is this? Can we take side angle side? No, we cannot take, because it is side angle side is what? Angle is included angle, but here the angle is not included in between sides. So it is right angle, this is right angle, and the side is hypotenuse, and the other one is corresponding side. So therefore by RHS congruency, triangle APD is congruent to triangle BQC. So by CPCT, can I say that angle D is equal to angle C? By CPCT, angle D is equal to angle C. Let me take it as first equation. Okay, I have proved that these two are equal. Now what, my dear students? Now, so we have to prove opposite angles, right? So now, what is this? AB and DC. AB and DC is what? AB and DC is are parallel lines. Sorry. So, just now we have seen that these two lines are parallel. We know that, right? So, now AB is parallel to CD because it is a parallelogram. And does this line, so I am going to erase this in order to explain you, but in examination you are not supposed to erase this. Okay, you have to visualize it. Now AB is parallel to CD, and does this line act as transversal? So and AD is transversal. AD is transversal. Okay, let me visualize this. There are two parallel lines and AD is transversal. So what do you say about these two angles? These two angles are co-interior, right? So these two angles are co-interior. In the same way, these two are parallel and this is transversal. So what do you say about these two angles? These two angles are co-interior. And what is the property of co-interior? The sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees. So that implies angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. And you have to write the reason. What is the reason? Co-interior angles are supplementary and supplementary. Is it right? Co-interior angles are supplementary. And you know that we have seen that angle D is equal to angle C. So that implies in place of angle D, can I write angle C? Angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, from equation 1. So now what is angle A plus angle C? What are these two angles? Are these two opposite angles? Angle A and angle C. Yes, these are opposite angles. So since the sum of opposite angles is equal to 180 degrees, so this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Is it right? Angle A plus angle C is 180. That means angle B plus angle D is also 180 degrees because sum of all four angles is equal to 360. From 360, if you subtract 180, so the remaining B and D also are 180 degrees. So since the sum of opposite angles is 180 degrees, therefore ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Is a cyclic quadrilateral. Understood, my dear students? So it's very easy. The only thing is, if you repeat this problems once or twice by yourself, so then you will be able to understand the concept, and you can repeat them in your examinations or whenever you have been asked to explain. I hope you understood, and by this I have completed the worksheet of, that means the problems which I have given for annual practice. I have completed the chapter of circles. If you have any doubt in any other problem, please send me. I'll make a video and I'll explain it and I'll send it to you. Right? So let us go with the next important chapter, polynomials. Okay, in the next video we are going to see the problems of polynomials. Thank you.